The art of mind reading. In a serene village nestled in the mountains lived an old and wise Zen master named Zen. His wisdom and knowledge were unparalleled, and people from far and wide would come to seek his guidance. Among these seekers was a young man named Jordan, eager to learn the mystical art of mind reading. Jordan had heard tales of Zen's extraordinary abilities and was determined to become his disciple. After a long and arduous journey, Jordan finally reached Zen's humble abode. The old man, with his long white beard and piercing eyes, welcomed him with a warm smile. "Master Zen, I wish to learn the art of mind reading," Jordan said, bowing deeply. Zen nodded, his eyes twinkling with a mix of wisdom and amusement. "Mind reading is not just a skill, young Jordan. It is an art, a way of understanding the very essence of human nature. Are you prepared to embark on this journey?" "Yes, Master. I am ready," Jordan replied with determination. Zen led Jordan to a tranquil garden filled with the scent of blooming flowers and the sound of rustling leaves. They sat down on a wooden bench under the shade of a grand old tree. "To read minds, you must first learn to still your own mind," Zen began. "Close your eyes and focus on your breath. Let go of all distractions and thoughts." Jordan closed his eyes and did as he was instructed. He took deep breaths, trying to quiet the whirlwind of thoughts in his mind. Minutes turned into hours, and Jordan began to feel a sense of calm he had never experienced before. "Now, open your eyes," Zen instructed softly. As Jordan opened his eyes, he noticed a change in the atmosphere. Everything seemed clearer, more vibrant. Zen smiled, seeing the transformation in his pupil. Reading minds is about sensing the subtle energies that people emit. It requires empathy, intuition, and a deep connection with the universe, Zen explained. "Let's start with something simple. Look at me and tell me what you feel." Jordan focused on Zen, trying to sense his emotions. At first, it was challenging, but gradually, he began to pick up on Zen's calm and serene aura. "I feel peace and wisdom," Jordan said hesitantly. "Good. You are beginning to understand," Zen replied. "Now, let's move on to the next step. We will meditate together every day and practice reading each other's thoughts and emotions." Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months. Jordan and Zen would spend hours in deep meditation, honing their skills. Zen would ask Jordan to focus on different villagers, teaching him to understand their emotions and thoughts without invading their privacy. One day, as they were meditating by the river, Zen spoke. "Jordan, you have progressed well. But remember, mind reading is not about control or power. It is about compassion and understanding. Use this art to help others, not to manipulate them." Jordan nodded, absorbing the profound lesson. He had come a long way from the eager young man who had arrived at Zen's doorstep. He had learned that true mind reading was not about hearing thoughts, but about feeling the emotions and understanding the unspoken words. As Jordan prepared to leave and share his newfound knowledge with the world, Zen gave him a parting gift, a small, intricately carved wooden box. "This box is a reminder of your journey," Zen said. "Whenever you feel lost, open it and remember the lessons you have learned here." Jordan thanked Zen and promised to use his skills wisely. As he walked away from the serene village, he felt a sense of fulfillment and purpose. He knew that the art of mind reading was not just a skill but a path to understanding and compassion. And so, Jordan's journey continued, guided by the wisdom of Zen and the art of mind reading, bringing light and understanding to the world around him.